In this video, I'll show you how to create an Asana account. Once you are on asana.com, the first step is to head over to the top bar, and on the right hand side, you want to click on Get Started. Now, that will automatically take you to this section where you have three options. The first option is by using Google to log in. The third option is by using Microsoft to create an account. This will also be the same for Google. And at the bottom, you can just simply add an email address if you don't have Google or Microsoft. So let's say I want to use Google, so just simply click on the first option. That will take you to this section where you can add your Google account. So let's say I want to add this account into my Asana. Simply click on the account. And once you do that, it will ask you to allow Asana to access your info. At the bottom, click on Continue. And once you're done, it will automatically take you to the welcome page. This will be Welcome to Asana. At the bottom, click on Get Started. From here, it will ask you what are you planning to use Asana for, either work, school, or personal. Let's say personal. At the bottom, click on Continue. Now, this is just a survey. You can add your first project, either a personal to-do, a travel planner, or a home improvement tracker. At the bottom, you can even describe how you want your first project to look like. Let's say a personal to-do. At the bottom, you can also start with a blank project, but if you were happy with one of these options, just simply click on Continue. And once you do that, it will ask you to add your teammate if you do want to invite one to try Asana together. If you don't, just leave these as blank. And at the bottom, click on Go to Asana. And once you do that, it will automatically take you to the homepage of Asana, wherein you can start using this as a personal tracker. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.